Introducing the revolutionary Time Saver Mount, designed to speed up the installation of fire detectors on suspended ceilings and allow ease of access for all future users. Installing detectors on suspended ceilings can often mean costly repeat visits for electricians and commissioning engineers. There is a reliance on each contractor completing their part of the process exactly on schedule. And for alarm engineers, delays in the final fix of a ceiling can often mean a wasted site visit. The ensuing confusion can also lead to health and safety hazards, with ceiling contractors and alarm engineers trying to work alongside each other. With the Time Saver Mount, the need for return visits for installation and commissioning is eliminated. The use of ladders and costly scissor lifts is also reduced, meaning less disruption to ongoing site work and a lower health and safety risk. Fitting the mount is simple. First, the alarm engineer installs the cable and fits the electrical backbox. The technician then clips the terminal base to the electrical backbox and terminates the field cables. The detector is then fitted and the technician commissions and tests it immediately. When the ceiling contractor arrives to install the suspended ceiling, the relevant tiles are cut with a 127mm hole to accommodate the mount. The contractor fits the bezel and clamp to the tile, installs the tile, and then pulls the detector down to lock it into the Time Saver Mount, all without the need for a costly return visit from the alarm engineer. The Time Saver Mount speeds up installation for suspended ceilings, eliminates the need for a return commissioning visit, reduces health and safety risks, and allows ease of access for future users. Revolutionize your installation and commissioning with the Time Saver Mount.